Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the rotation in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of the right corner and press on the three dots there. Now you can just press on settings and after that press on rotation. And now you will be able to enable the rotation, and now the screen rotation will be allowed and enabled. So basically if you switch the screen, basically you just tilt it to the other angle. This screen is also going to be rotated after that. Now you need to disable the screen rotation or enable the screen rotation in your device as well. Unless that happens, it's not going to work this function. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.